So let's take a look at this picture. See a boat? It's called a skull. It looks like the boat that's in the painting up on the wall. We see a lake, and in the background we see a city. Why would he do that? It's a two-way street. So this is the final writing assignment of any significant length for the year. Is the bridge symbolic? Maybe yes, maybe no. So the assignment is this: to write a piece of historical or realistic fiction that has at least 3 characters, 2 settings, dialogue, and is at least 300 words long. It needs to be informed by the "it starts with hello" theme we're looking at this week. You also have to find at least 2 things to research for your story. You can put your sources on a separate page at the end. This is a checklist to help you keep track of what you need to do. You know, this is for you to work with. Conflict, theme, plot. You have all these things. This is not scored. This is just a checklist for you to look at. Here's the rubric. You see there's the research aspect. I want 2 citations. Length has to be 200 words. 300 words gets you the 5. Setting, character, plot, dialogue. Sentence construction. Mechanics. And here's the scoring. This website down the bottom is a really useful one for all kinds of mechanical things. That's it for the assignment. Thanks for playing.